Ready, set, go.
I'm gonna go back to the trucking class. What you talking about?
You are not hiding in my room.
Ain't nobody home to this. That's good. Chilling, man.
Cracking.
He doesn't look suspect at all, does he? I'm running in.
He's inconspicuous. He's incarnate.
16 seconds.
I don't see
Do
why.
I have your ID?
I don't see why they just understand. They know we go to this school.
Yeah, they're the same.
I mean, they're stupid.
My app started
It's
to.
probably a security thing.
It's lame.
It's funny.
Stuck.
I do mine.
I just want to go. I heard some females.
Oh my god.
Then he stuck.
Oh, you got the sticky cuffs.
There we
Oh,
go.
I hate those. Every time you like try to uncuff somebody, you have to like fidget with it.
Yeah. Yeah, because the key thing is in the middle, so I can't really
Yeah.
aim it that well.
You're bored.
I want to be handcuffed. Carly, I will allow you to handcuff me. Okay. Shut up.
Okay, you got timer. I'm looking at this.
I have a timer on my phone, actually.
You know, probably
I'm
you'll
timing
have to
it
take
right
them all
now.
off on one hand, and then go back through the other. Because then you'd have a...
Come on, you're almost there.
How long is it taking them?
A minute.
A minute, 17 seconds. And 20.
Come on, give me the key!
Fail.
You know you still have ramen in there, I think. Do I?
I bet I could beat Michael.
Oh wait.
Probably.
Yeah, you'd probably just.
No!
Yeah, dude.
He's getting mad now.
I'm not getting
What's
mad.
there? Nothing.
Come on, get irritated.
What's wrong
It makes it take longer.
Nothing.
Nothing.
It's nothing.
Don't
Don't look.
It's not illegal.
I use your hand.
It's not Long Island iced tea. It's not Bahama
If I'm a
Mama.
doctor, I'm not doing it.
Or is it Willie's chair?
Well, you're not technically supposed to.
And that took 2 minutes and 10 seconds.